Well, Yiddish meant that my grandmother was happy, and when I heard it in the kitchen, really quickly, that she was definitely in discussion with her sisters, and somebody was going to end up having their yelling or telling them they're wrong, you know. It meant this is who I am. It was a language that I never expected to disappear ever. I thought I would grow up speaking it my whole life. It defined who I was and who I would be, where I came from, who I belonged to. So it was an integral part of me learning about myself. My mother was an only child, so I never had any first cousins. But my grandmother had two sisters, and they had families. We had a cousins club, and they would come once a month to the house, and it was completely in Yiddish, like, you know, and there'd be all the men on one side of the backyard smoking cigars, arguing in Yiddish about God knows what. And there would be the women on this side, and I can just still see it in my eyes, you know. It was just Eastern Europe in my backyard, you know. But I didn't look at it that way. This was my world that I lived in. This is, you know. And there was just, I guess the aspect of Yiddish meant family, meant that people that were there, that it was family, really.